Good morning, trade pros. Good morning, YouTube. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. I'm Fadi from the Trade Pro team here, back with another YouTube market update for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let's kick off this YouTube update with some of the performances in other markets. In Asian markets, Japan is up 0.1%, Hong Kong is down 1.7%, China is down 0.3%. In Europe, midday London is down 0.3%, Paris down 0.7%, Frankfurt 0.1%. As far as the futures market here, Dow is down 0.5%, S&P is down 0.6%, and Nasdaq is down 0.5% as well. Crude oil down 0.5%, and gold is flat on the session. As far as the economical calendar for the day ahead, at 9 a.m. you had the house price index that came out. Uh, for at 10 a.m. we have consumer confidence coming out, new home sales, Richmond Fit manufacture. All of those are coming out at 10, and 1 p.m. we have money supply and results of the 2-year note auction. And that's as far as the economical calendar for the day. As far as the headline news coming out this morning, it has to be the tech. This week is a big week for tech earnings. Today we kick off the earnings season for the tech sector with, I believe it's Google and Microsoft. Alphabet and Microsoft are the first two to kick off the season. I'll give you guys some comments. Alphabet, while advertising the slowdown will be front and center of earnings watcher, they will be seeking information about Google's approach to hot topic of artificial intelligence and how chatbots online search will change the industry. Wall Street analysts expect Alphabet to post EPS of 1.07 on 68.8 billion in revenues, which would mark a 1.2% growth. So briefly, those two, of course, Microsoft and Alphabet, one of the two big tech giants, really. The main core is not of these tech earnings is not gonna really be as far as the numbers and revenues, but what lies ahead in the AI sector, because both of these are introducing technologies like ChatGPT, and those are expected. What they're gonna unfold in the next couple of days will tell us what to expect from them going further. As far as the quarterly earnings, both of them, as far as Wall Street analysts, they're expecting the same type of earnings from last quarter. So pretty much break even to slow growth rate. That's the range that they're playing in pretty much. But they're waiting for a lot of comments from what they're gonna do about the artificial intelligence side of things. Same thing for Microsoft. Wall Street is going to zero on what software giant has to say about its Azure cloud business, as well as its massive push into AI. So yeah, pretty much, the headline news here is what they're gonna unfold about the AI. And other news coming out from Fox News. If you guys remember last time I came here, there was I talked about the lawsuit on Fox News regarding their claims about the 2020 election. Pretty much they said that the 2020 elections were rigged, they were not done properly. So, and they actually had two lawsuits ever since. One of them was just recently settled for around 650 million, and the second one is 788 million. So, on the backlash of that, Fox News and top host Tucker Carlson have agreed to part ways. A big move that comes on the heels of the hefty 788 million settlement over Dominion voting system. Defaming suit against the network. Shares of Fox has closed down 3% on Monday. That's pretty much the after the announcement, and fell another 9% in the pre-market trade. So Fox News already down almost like 25%. 12%. While conservative focused video platform Rumble advanced with Tucker now a free agent, so he already pretty much found another platform. Across CNN also fired star anchor Don Lemon. So yeah, just a bunch of firing, honestly, because whoever pretty much claimed or talked badly about the 2020 election, after those hefty lawsuits, they got cut off from Fox News and as well as CNN. So that's as far as that stock. In other news, retail sector coming out from retail sector, retail investor participation in stock market is still historically high, near 90% according to Morgan Stanley. But the buy and sell imbalance is positive on just one sector of the S&P 500. So as you guys know, like retail has been really the outperformer within this recession. So as far as the S&P, you have like four big major sectors, and only one of them is holding up, which is retail right now, and the other three are really underperforming. So a lot of eyes are focused on that. Like it's just coming up to our attention now as really the imbalance is showing is like, okay, which sector is holding the S&P and not, why are not we falling? It's really because retail has just been strong. And lastly, of course, the President Biden officially launched his re-election campaign this morning, seeking a second term in the office after defeating former President Donald Trump. And he just announced that with his campaign yesterday. So we'll see that how that will play out. This is just a brief of some of the headline news that came out this morning. As far as the market, I'll talk about the S&P for a bit. Yesterday we had a very slow and sideways morning session. Kind of anticipating the same today. To be honest, we don't have a whole ton of volume. I think we have 170,000 on the volume, which is very light. We usually expect anywhere from 300,000 to 250,000 on the low end. Today is even lower than that. So you can expect more sideways action, kind of like what happened yesterday. This is all on the back of big earnings. Those big tech companies are reporting earnings really after the bell. So the market is waiting to see how the earnings number come out and the comments that follow up before the volatility kickstarts. So we have two big levels today on the S&P: 4132 holding as a support, and as far as the resistance, we have the 41.58 to 60. Until price breaks out of this range, either to the upside above the 60 or to the downside below the 32, you can, honestly just play that range and see what you can get. Like, I'm not expecting a whole lot of volatility to come out this morning, unless like some crazy news comes out all of a sudden. But really, I think we stay in this range until like some of those tech earnings are behind us, and then we'll see the follow through on that move. And yeah, this is pretty much it for me, guys. Thank you for being here. Hope to see you guys in the live room, and I'll see you guys soon. Ciao.